Hey everybody, this is Scott from HPR Product Reviews. Today I am looking at the Amazon Basics AAA alkaline high performance batteries. Now, I'm just gonna cut to the chase on this. You're here because you're looking to see if these are any good. And let me assure you, yes, they are. There's literally no difference between this and any other brand name battery. That being said, the benefit of buying Amazon's Basics AAA batteries is because you have so many options. Now, the one I'm showing you here is a 36 count package. However, there are multiple options to choose from. You can get an 8 count, 12 count, 20 count, 36 count, just like this one. Or you can get the big daddy of them all, the 100 count package. Not only that, but when you store these things away, it has a low profile. This box is great. So I definitely highly recommend getting the Amazon Basics AAA battery packages for whatever count you need.